se on tässä kehitty Rinnekoivu?
Yes, the date is the 5th of July 2021. What was the address?
Vääränkoivuntie 6.
Yes, Vääränkoivuntie 6 in Valkeakoski, Finland. The capacity is 4 burgers or 300 meters. It's the original pop-out, probably built in late 1970. We have been in the building 8 also, where it is also still original. So jointly the two best elevators so far in Valkeakoski.
Yeah, that building 8 is going to be modernized next year.
Yeah. Well, we still filmed it.
Yeah.
This was actually built in 1969. This was late 1969 and early 1970 actually. Oh, that's interesting. The serial number says 18178. It turned 50 years old in 2019. So still 96, it's 1969. Very amazing. This is so far the best one. It's going to be inspected in next year, 2023. Wow. Totally unexpected.
Yeah.
1969, still 1960s. But probably late 1969.
Yeah.
And then the other one is early 1970, which will be replaced.
Yeah.
Oh, it's such amazing sounds.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't have to go to the balcony.
Yeah.
Works perfect.
Yeah. Expected back events that maintained by all, so now describe this.
Yeah.
That's